Alright guys, today, we're diving into something that can literally save you hours of frustration. How to use ChatGPT to write killer resumes and cover letters in minutes. Let's face it, writing resumes is a pain. Finding the right words, formatting everything perfectly, it's a struggle. But with ChatGPT, we can generate professional resumes and cover letters effortlessly. Let me show you how. Scene 1. Creating a resume. So, let's say I'm a software engineer with 10 years of experience, and I want to apply for a team leader role at a big tech company. I just type this into ChatGPT. Write me a resume template for a software engineer applying for a team leader role. Boom! Look at that. It gives us a professional summary, work experience section, skills, and even certifications. And here's the best part, you can tweak it however you like. Want to highlight specific skills? Just tell ChatGPT, and it updates everything for you. It's like having a personal resume assistant. Scene 2. Customizing the resume. Now, maybe I want my resume to focus more on leadership skills. Simple. I just tell ChatGPT, make this resume more leadership-focused and emphasize my experience managing teams. And just like that, it highlights my experience leading projects, mentoring junior developers, and managing teams. This is a game changer for job applications. Scene 3. Writing a cover letter. But wait, there's more. You also need a strong cover letter. So I just type, write me a professional cover letter for a team leader role at Amazon. Boom! It's already formatted, sounds professional, and directly speaks to the job requirements. Of course, you should personalize it a little, but this saves you so much time. Scene 4. Tailoring to specific jobs. Want to make your resume and cover letter job-specific? Just copy and paste the job description into ChatGPT and say, tailor my resume and cover letter to match this job description. And watch as it seamlessly adapts everything to fit the job requirements. Seriously, this makes job applications almost too easy. Scene 5. Summarizing books and texts. But ChatGPT isn't just for job hunting. Let's say you want to quickly understand a book like Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You just ask, summarize Rich Dad, Poor Dad for me, and boom, you get the key takeaways in seconds. Need more details? Just ask ChatGPT to elaborate on specific concepts. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to absorb knowledge fast. Scene 6. Using Chat for coding. And for my coders out there, ChatGPT is an absolute lifesaver. Need help fixing a bug? Writing an API integration? Just type, write a JavaScript function to connect to OpenAI's API, and watch as it generates clean, functional code, along with an explanation of how it works. It's like having a 24/7 coding mentor. So whether you're job hunting, summarizing books, or coding like a pro, ChatGPT can supercharge your productivity in ways you never imagined. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and let me know in the comments. How do you use ChatGPT? See you in the next one. Peace.